Okay, so we're out looking for birds' nests and we found one. Right here. You can see it right there. That's the bird's nest. See if I can get a better picture of it. Okay, right here. There we go. That's the bird's nest right there. So, okay, we got some people coming, so we better keep on rolling. A lot of people don't like the dog off the leash. Oh, by the way, we found our way onto a trail. Oh, and there's another bird's nest right there. That's a big one. Look at that. That's a nice one there. It's right on the top of a broken tree. See? You can see it right there. Right there. That's a bird's nest. Okay. That's two. Oh, look, there's another one. We're finding lots of... Oh, there's two of them. There's one there. And there's one somewhere right there. Hello. Dog's friendly. So that's two birds' nests right together. I am recording off to the side because there's people ahead of me. We're hunting for birds' nests. You'd be surprised how many people like to watch that. Yeah. You get millions of people that live in cities, right? And they don't get to see this. So they're quite astounded by a bird's nest. Oh, that's a bird's nest. Get a good look at that one. Come here, Coop. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here.